So today when I was meeting so many people at the different stages of their career, and that made me think that जब हमने अपना career शुरू किया, we all are approaching 50, wrong side of 40, and we have seen different career path. तो मुझे ये लगा कि जब हम लोगों ने शुरू किया था, we never got any advice, there was no mentorship, there was no Shiro's kind of a platform, there was nothing.
There's no internet even.
And we made mistake, we learned, we moved on. When you look back, I was looking back at my career in the morning, and I thought that so many mistakes we made, so many things we did not knowingly, but that gave us results. So you tell me, what would you do there?
That's true, that now we have a plethora of information and a lot of experience. So there are few things which I have learned over years in working in multiple workplaces across the world. I think one thing is for any younger person, they have a long career path ahead of them. I think it's very important and most helpful to cultivate mentors and relevant mentors who can challenge your thought process whenever you are at a decision making juncture. Also people you can probably go to if you have issues at workplace, because sometimes those issues are not that big and someone outside of your current workplace etc. can help you. I think second thing which I would advise is do not shy away from technical competence. As you progress in your career, the world now is highly specialized and domain centric. Continuously upgrade your technical competence, and this I would say to all women. If you're in finance, make sure that you're up to all the new standards etc. If you're in technology, you have to keep the pulse. Never shy away from upgrading your technical competence. I think another thing I would say is always be ethical. Do not do small things to make small gains where your reputation can get tarnished. So this could include small things like expenses or timings or whatever it is. Just be ethical. It's not worth throwing away your reputation for very small gains, and these things are always noticed and they go a long way. And finally, I think all workplaces are very political. There is no workplace on this planet in any country where the human political element will not be there. Learn to manage it and live with it and play the game.
See, I think मैं अपने खुद का देखती हूँ. I think burning the bridges. काफ़ी बार we get into a very heated argument or we get into an ego tussle. So you've got to understand that these people, and especially if you're in a smaller industry, कहीं ना कहीं तो मिलेंगे. आज आप उनके ऊपर हो, कल वो हो सकते हैं. तो it's very good when you're in a corporate environment. Please behave professionally. No need to burn bridges. The second one, I think I agree with you, is your reputation. It comes in before you do. Now, and I know that people that always, I think India is very small. सब कोई पूछता है ना कैसा था वो बंदा, और जिसकी reputation ठीक नहीं थी, I think you kind of say, oh, you know what, I think there's something wrong with this person. So your reputation definitely is very important. I think for a lot, and I think for myself also, हम लोग risk नहीं लेते. हम लोग बहुत डरे काम करते हैं और फिर सोचते हैं कि हमें क्यों भी बड़ा leap नहीं मिला. So you have to put yourself out there and you have to say, okay, you know what, I'm ready to take that risk. I want that next job. I want to ask for it. कोई आपको platter पे सब कुछ नहीं देता. A lot of times you have to go out there. The fourth thing is हम लोग थोड़े greedy हो जाते हैं. जो best offer आया, आ गया, अरे salary अच्छी है, ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है. We're not strategic in planning our career. We're not looking at it and saying, okay, is this really getting me to where I want to go? वो 20% raise में ना हम इतने खुश हो जाते हैं कि हम बाकी सब भूल जाते हैं. Last चीज़, I think थोड़ा हमें gossip थोड़ी अच्छी लगती है, तो I think just try to stay away from negativity and try to stay away from the negative type of gossip of bringing others down and pulling others away. तो ये सारी चीज़ें I think मैंने भी कुछ करी हैं and definitely learning है कि avoid कर सकते थे या better handle कर सकते थे, तो it would have been better for my career.
See, being from a creative field, I feel कि I always jumped from अच्छा आज ये मन किया, आज ये कह लो, कल ये मन किया, ये कह लो. So that is like, if I have to learn one thing today by doing meditation or going to a school again, I would say stay focused. Don't deviate, don't jump to the situations because you can afford to. Secondly, when you have the chance, learn new skills. That is very important because, again, as you said, upgrading yourself with technology, with skills, whatever field you are in. So for me, creativity or things you need to do. And have a core quality which people know that this job cannot be done without this person. So anytime you should be getting a call that I need you for this job. And again, because of being a creative and an emotional person, I didn't learn diplomacy. I could just take any decision, jump up to anything, say anything in the meeting, which I feel it was not required. It could have been avoided. So that is one thing I will tell my younger self not to get into it. Because everybody is right and wrong in their own way. And then again, temperamental issues. It has to be very clearly, leave it at home, lock it in the cupboard, and then go to work.
Can you do it in a creative field?
So that is,
I think that's what you have to bring to work.
So that is my takeaway and my advice to my younger self.
Well, so hopefully this will help all of you avoid the mistakes that maybe
That what
we have done.